Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 8.1 from CBSE 10th class textbook, page number 181. Trigonometric exercise. See first problem. What is the first problem? In triangle ABC, right angled at B. So, I am drawing here right angle triangle. A, B, C. Right angle at B means B is 90 degrees. AB is 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. Determine sin A, cos A. So, first bit is determine sin A, cos A. Second bit is determine sin C, cos C. So, I will take first sin A, cos A. I am going to determine sin A, cos A. See, what is sin? Sin A means here is angle A. Opposite by hypotenuse. Here we don't know the value of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not given to us. Only adjacent sides AB, BC are given. So first we should proceed to find hypotenuse AC. See, how to find AC? According to Pythagoras theorem, we should follow the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? That is, Pythagoras theorem is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AC is hypotenuse square. AB means one adjacent side. BC is another opposite side. So adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now what is AB square given to you? 24 square plus BC square is given to you as 7 square is equal to AC square. What is 24 into 24? 24? 576 plus 49 is equal to 625 is equal to AC square. So this implies AC is equal to square root of 625. What is the square root of 625? That is 25. So hypotenuse AC is 25. Now you can easily solve these two problems. Number 1. What is sin A? Sin A, cos A. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. BC by AC. BC by AC means 7 by 25. Cos A is equal to 24 by 25. Find tan P minus cot R. See, they have given a triangle PQR as shown in figure and they are asking us to find tan P cot R. So QR they have not given. First, what we should do? According to Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. So QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square. What is PR square? PR square means here PR square means 13 square minus 12 square. 13 square means 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. So this implies QR is equal to root of 25 is equal to 5. Now tan P. What is tan P? Tan P is equal to, what is tan P? This one, opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent means QR by PQ. QR is 5. 5 by 12. Next, cot R. Cot R is equal to this one. Cot means adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite means, what is QR? QR is 5. So, 5 by 12. Cot R is 5 by 12. Tan P is also 5 by 12. So what they have asked here? What is the problem? Tan P minus cot R. So this implies tan P minus cot R is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is equal to 0. So this is the second problem. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. See, first you draw the triangle. A, A, B, C. Sin A 3 by 4 means 3 opposite, 4 hypotenuse. AB question mark. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, same thing. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square is equal to BC square means AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. AC square means 4 square minus 3 square. So 16 minus 9. What is the answer? 16 minus 9? 7. So AB is root 7. AB is root 7. Now what is cos A? What is cos A? Cos A means AB by AC. AB by AC means root 7 by 4. Next, tan A. What is tan A? Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent, 3 by root 7. So in this way you must work out using Pythagoras theorem. Even fourth problem is given as 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A, secant A. Sin A and secant A. See here, 15 cot A is equal to 8. So this implies cot A is equal to 8 by 15. What is cot A actually? Adjacent by opposite. So adjacent by opposite is 8 by 15. Now you draw the triangle. A, B, C. So adjacent means AB. In the triangle this is adjacent means AB. AB by BC. So that is AB by BC. AB by BC means AB is 8, BC is 15. Now I am giving you just like homework, you find out AC by using Pythagoras theorem. In the similar way as we did in previous problems, find AC and then you find out sin A and secant A and tell me the answer in comment section. Okay, thank you. Given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Fifth problem. Calculate other trigonometric ratios. Calculate other trigonometric ratios means what? See, we should calculate sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta and cosecant theta. So only secant theta is given to us. So let us draw a rectangle. Let us draw a triangle PQR. So what is given to you? Secant theta. What is secant theta? Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta means hypotenuse by adjacent. See, how can you remember this one? You know cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Just reverse that one. That is secant theta. So secant theta is given as 13 by 12. Means hypotenuse is 13. Adjacent is 12. This is theta. So adjust hypotenuse by adjacent. Now you should find sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta. See, first of all, we should find QR. How can you find QR? Using Pythagoras theorem. QR is equal to how much? So, according to Pythagoras theorem, what we should write here? According to Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. PQ square means 12 square plus QR square is equal to 13 square. Now, what is QR square? QR square means 13 square minus 12 square, that is 169 minus 144. That means this is equal to 25. So this implies QR is equal to root of 25 is equal to 5. So now, what is sin theta? See, here we got QR as 5. Now you can easily write in next step sin theta. Sin theta is equal to how much? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means 5 by 13. Cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. This opposite by hypotenuse is QR by PR. Cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse means PQ by PR. That means 12 by 13. Next, tan theta. What is tan theta, ma? Opposite by adjacent. See, you should remember these ratios perfectly. Opposite by adjacent means, what is opposite to theta? QR. QR by PQ. QR by PQ means 5 by 12. Next, cot theta. Cot theta means 1 by tan easily. That is 1 by tan. That means 12 by 5. Secant theta already given. Next, cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta means 13 by 5. So these are the ratios. So here fifth problem comes to an end. Now we will be doing sixth problem. So what is the sixth problem? If angle A and angle B are acute angles. What do you mean by acute angles? Acute angles ante ema less than 90 degrees. So such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So here one condition is given to us. A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. Then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So first of all, let us draw a right angle triangle. How we should draw here? See, this is our right angle triangle. Okay. What is given? A and B are acute angles. That means these are not the right angles. So A, B. C is right angle here. Okay. So less than 90 both are. And one more condition is given as cos A is equal to cos B. Now let me know from your side what is cos A. Cos A means this one. Cos A is adjacent to A by hypotenuse. What is adjacent to A? AC. AC by AB. So this is given. Number 1 equation. Let this be. Next, what is cos B, ma? Cos B means this angle. So what? Cos B means adjacent to B. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent means, what is adjacent to B? BC. BC by AB. So this is cos B. Now let this be second equation. Now what is given to you in condition? Cos A is equal to cos B. So this implies AC by AB is equal to BC by AB. Now you should show that angle A is equal to angle B. How can you show here? Now take this equation. What does this implies? See this. Let this be third equation. So observe the third equation and tell me. From this, see denominator here AC by AB is equal to BC by AB. Denominator is same. So this is implying AC is equal to BC. This means both these sides AC and BC are equal. So this again implies angle A is equal to angle A is equal to angle B, or we can write angle B is equal to angle A. How is that? Since how we are able to write this one? What we are telling here, AC is equal to BC is implying angle B is equal to angle A. See, one condition is there. What is that condition? Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. See, these two are equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides, opposite to equal sides will be equal. Means here both are AC is equal to BC. These two are equal sides. Now what is angle opposite to CB? A. What is angle opposite to AC? B. So according to this rule, angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. According to this rule, angle B is equal to angle A, or in angle A is equal to angle B. Hence the problem. So number 6 is also over. Now let us go to number 7 problem. What is number 7 problem? See, cot theta is given to you. If cot theta is equal to 7/8, evaluate number 1. See, what is needed in trigonometry? You must remember the ratios. And just patiently you should work out. That's all. Step by step you must write carefully. Then you can proceed easily. Now, first number 1 bit is, if cot theta is equal to 7/8, evaluate this one. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And number 2 bit is cot square theta. So, now let us go to first problem. Now, second bit is, what is second bit, ma? First let us do the second bit. Cot square theta. Anyone can do this, even school children can do this one. What is cot square theta? Cot theta is given as 7/8. So what is cot square theta? Just square this one. What is the answer? 49/64. That is okay, ma. Now let us go to first one. Evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So, how you should evaluate here? See, a plus b, you know, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, this one is also in the same way. You can write just c plus d into c minus d. What will be the answer, ma? Just a square minus b square by c square minus d square. Here a means 1, sin theta b, like that, just resembling that one I have written here. Now considering this, you write here, what will be the answer? A square minus b square means 1 square minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. C square minus d square. Here c is 1, d is cos theta. Now you tell me what we should write here. How can we proceed here? 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. So what is given to us? Just it is given as cot theta. Now we should draw the triangle and let us proceed in the same way. That is A, B, C, theta, cot theta. Cot theta means opposite, adjacent by opposite, 7/8. 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. See, 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. Here you should consider sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This you should know always. For any angle, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So considering this statement, we will be writing here. What is, according to this, What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and similarly sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So substitute this, let this be 1, 2, 3. Substituting 2 and 3, equation 2 and 3 in 1. What can we get here? 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta. So this is nothing but cos by sin square. So this is nothing but cos by sin is what? Cot. So this is equal to cot square theta. It is given to us as cot theta is 7 by 8. So what is cot square theta? That is equal to 7 by 8 square. So that is equal to 49 by 64. So this is the problem. Number 8 problem. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So this is the 8th problem. So we should check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. See, now let us proceed. 3 cot A is equal to 4. So 3 cot A is equal to 4 means how we should write here? What is cot A is equal to? Cot A is equal to? This implies cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Let us draw the triangle in the same way. A is acute. Let this be B. C, cot A. Cot A means what? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. That means AB by BC. So what is AB by BC? 4 by 3. Now you find out AC ma. How to find AC? Using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That means 4 square plus 3 square. That means 16 plus 9. That means 25. So this implies AC is equal to root of AC square is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. So now from this one, now you take, let this be number 1 equation which we should prove. We should check whether LHS is equal to RHS. Taking LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So 1 minus tan square A. What is tan A ma? Opposite by adjacent, 3 by 4 square. 1 plus 3 by 4 square. So here 16 minus 9 by 16 divided by 16 plus 9 by 16. 16 minus 9 means 7. 7 by is equal to 7 by 25. Denominator get cancelled. So LHS is 7 by 25. What is RHS? Let us check RHS. Cos square A minus sin square A. What is cos A? Adjacent by hypotenuse, 4 by 5 square, minus sin square A, opposite by hypotenuse, 3 by 5 square. So this is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. So 6, here take the LCM and what can we get here? 25. 16 minus 9 means 7. So RHS is 7 by 25. LHS is also 7 by 25. This implies LHS, left hand side is equal to right hand side, RHS. That means 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Hence the problem. In triangle ABC, right angled at B if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Find number 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Number 2 cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Let us take first bit. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Now we should find the value of this equation, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Let us draw the triangle, right angle triangle, which is right angle at B, ABC. Tan A 1 by root 3 means opposite by adjacent, 1 by root 3. Tan A is equal to BC by AB, 1 by root 3. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square means root 3 square plus 1 square. Root 3 square means 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So AC square is equal to 4, implies AC is equal to root of 4 is equal to 2. So from this AC is equal to 2. Now you can write easily what is sin A. From this values, what is sin A? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means BC by AC. BC by AC is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, cos C. Cos C is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent to C? BC. BC by AC. BC by AC means 1 by 2. Similarly, cos A. What is cos A? Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent by hypotenuse? Root 3 by 2. That is AB by AC. Similarly, what is sin C? Sin C means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means AB by AC, root 3 by 2. So now let us substitute this one in equation 1. All these values in equation 1. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. What is the value? Sin A cos C. Sin A cos C means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So what is the answer? 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to how much? 1. Just 1 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So equation 1 is, so answer is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to 1. First equation. Second, similarly, let us write second equation. What is second equation? Second equation, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. What is cos A? Cos A from the triangle is equal to, cos A is 1 by 2. Similarly, cos C. Cos C means 1 by 2 minus sin A. Sin A means BC by AB, 1 by 2. Sin C. Sin C means root 3 by 2. So cos A means here adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos A means root 3 by 2. Cos A means root 3 by 2. Cos C means 1 by 2. Sin A means 1 by 2. Sin C means root 3 by 2. So this is equal to root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So value of second equation is 0. Here we should write for clarity, since cos A is equal to AB by AC, adjacent by opposite. Similarly, cos A is equal to AB by AC means root 3 by 2. Cos C is equal to BC by AC, that is adjacent by opposite. So that is equal to 1 by 2. And sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So that is BC by AC, 1 by 2. Similarly, sin C is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, AB by AC, root 3 by 2. So hence the answer. So what is the second equation? Second equation is equal to 0. First equation is equal to 1. Next, number 10. In a right angle triangle PQR, triangle is PQR, right angled at Q, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P, tan P and tan P. So how we should find this one? First of all, let us draw the triangle PQR. Right angle at Q, PQR. This is right angle. PR plus QR. It is given PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. And PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. They have given only PQ. Now we should determine sin P, cos P, tan P. So PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Let us go to Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, what is the answer? PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. So PQ square is given here 5 square plus QR square is equal to PR square. That means 5 square means 25. 25 is equal to PR square minus QR square. 25 is equal to PR square minus QR square. We can write this PR square as PR plus QR into PR minus QR is equal to 25. PR plus QR is given to us, that is also 25. So 25 into PR minus QR is equal to 25. Now from this equation, 25 by 25 is equal to 1 is equal to PR minus QR. Now we got PR minus QR as 1 and we have PR plus QR as 25. Take these two equations. So let us write this as 1, numbering the equation, this as 2 and this one as 3. So now let us add these two. What can we get? 2 PR addition. This one get cancelled. So what can you get here? 26. 2 PR is equal to 26. So this implies 2 PR is equal to 26. This implies PR is equal to 26 by 2 is equal to 13. So we got PR as 13. That means hypotenuse is 13. PQ is 5. Let us number this one as fourth equation. Now what we should find? What else we should find? We should find QR. How can we find QR? Substituting equation 4 in equation 3. That means PR minus QR is equal to 1. This is equation 3. Now I am going to substitute in this equation PR value means 4 minus QR is equal to 1. So this implies what? 4 minus 1 is equal to QR. So this implies finally QR is equal to 3. So I am writing that 3 also here. Now from this, can we write the values? You tell me. What is sin P? Sin P means opposite by hypotenuse. Always you should remember this. Opposite to P. That is QR. QR by PR. QR by PR means simply 3 by 13. So we got the first point. Next, what is cos P? Cos P is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent by hypotenuse? PQ by PR. PQ by PR means 5 by 13. Similarly, what is tan P? Now you tell me what is tan P? Tan P means opposite by adjacent, or this is also equal to sin P by cos P. So what is opposite by adjacent? 3 by 5. Similarly, this is also equal to 3 by 13 by 5 by 13. So finally, this is 3 by 5. This is the answer of 10th one. Next, number 11. Last and final problem of this exercise. State whether the following are true or false. Just a bit type problem. True or false. Now I think you may be knowing about the Pythagoras theorem well. So considering that one, now you tell me about the 11th problem. Value of tan A is always less than 1. Is that true? Number 1. State whether the following are true or false. Number 1. Value of tan A is always less than 1. So this is false. Why? Because value of tan A always lies between minus infinity to plus infinity. So the statement is false. Number 2. What is the statement? Secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some values of angle. 12 by 5 means what? 2.4 for some angles. They are asking. This is true. This is true. Why? Why? Because secant A is always greater than 1. Always greater than 1. This is greater than symbol. I think you may not be knowing because you are just in 10th class. Greater than 1. Secant A is greater than 1. Next, number 3. Cos A is the abbreviation of cosecant of angle A. Cos A is abbreviation of cosecant of A. Cosecant of A. False. This is false. Why this is false? Because cos A is not cosecant A, but this is cosine of A. Cosine angle of A. Number 4. What is number 4? Cot A. Cot A is the product of cot and A. Product of cot and A. This is also false. This is also false. Why? Because cot A is not separation of cot and A. Just this is the symbol. And this cannot be separated. Cot A is just the symbol. Cotangent of A, that is called as, not separation of cot and A. Number 5. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some theta. For some theta. So, and this is also false. Why? Because sin theta is always less than or equal to 1. Here 4 by 3 sin theta equal to 4 by 3 means greater than 1. So this is false. Means greater than 1. This is wrong. This is wrong. So hence the problem, and with this 8.1 exercise is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share my channel.